Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the incredible creatures that roam our planet. Today, we're talking about an insect that's been around for millions of years, the dragonfly. These amazing creatures are not only beautiful, but also fascinating. Let's dive into some incredible facts about dragonflies. First off, dragonflies are expert flyers. They are one of the best flyers in the insect world. They can fly in all directions, forward, backward, and even hover in place like a helicopter. Dragonflies can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, and they can quickly change direction, which helps them catch prey or avoid danger. One of the most striking features of dragonflies is their huge eyes. These compound eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, which allow them to see in all directions. In fact, dragonflies have nearly 360-degree vision. This helps them spot tiny insects to eat and dodge predators. Speaking of eating, dragonflies are skilled hunters. They mainly eat other flying insects like mosquitoes, flies, and even smaller dragonflies. In fact, they're sometimes called mosquito hawks because of how many mosquitoes they can catch. Dragonflies use their sharp jaws to quickly grab and devour their prey while flying. Another cool fact is that dragonflies have two sets of wings. These wings are transparent and have a shimmering glass-like appearance. Having two sets of wings allows them to move with incredible precision and speed. And did you know? Dragonflies are some of the oldest insects on Earth. They've been around for over 300 million years, even before dinosaurs. Dragonflies start their lives underwater. Their babies, called nymphs, live in ponds, lakes, or streams for months or even years before turning into adult dragonflies. As nymphs, they are fierce hunters, catching tiny fish and other aquatic creatures. Once they're ready, they crawl out of the water, shed their skin, and emerge as adult dragonflies with wings. You'll often see dragonflies around water because that's where they lay their eggs. They need water to reproduce and for their larvae to grow. So, if you're near a pond or lake, look closely. You might spot these incredible creatures zooming around. Dragonflies are also cold-blooded, which means they need warmth from the sun to fly. That's why you'll often see them basking in sunny spots before taking off on their next flight. Once they warm up, they can fly for long distances, hunting for food and patrolling their territory. Did you know there are over 5,000 species of dragonflies? They come in all kinds of colors, from bright blues and greens to reds and yellows. Each species has its own unique patterns and behaviors, making them even more fascinating to watch. In conclusion, dragonflies are incredible creatures with amazing abilities. From their super speed flying to their underwater life as nymphs, dragonflies have mastered both air and water. Next time you see a dragonfly, you'll know just how special these ancient insects are.